Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create your photo or turn your photo into Barbie doll using Chat GPT for free. Okay, I do not have any subscription and I have created these images. Okay, you will see this is Kirk the handyman and school teacher. You will see all these images I have created with using ChatGPT for free. Okay, so you can create it also. So what you have to do, you can just choose new chat, or I have also created here, you will see. So I have used many prompt or tricks to create this image. So first here you will see I have I uploaded my image, and then here we turn this photo into Barbie doll in a pink plastic, add camera, sunglasses. So here you will see this image is created by ChatGPT like this. Then write a prompt, use this image to create a school teacher Barbie. Okay, you will see like this. Then here you will see I use this trick. Okay, so first I uploaded my image. Okay, then I uploaded a image from internet. Okay, Barbie doll image from internet. Okay, then write prompt, please create a Barbie photo like the second image. So you will see the Chat GPT created this image. So like this you can easily create Barbie figure in Chat GPT for free. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel. Thanks.